Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing I want to say it's the 8th look in my Black Zodiac series. Pretty sure it's the 8th. Yeah, it's going to be the Poison Dart, so if you like to see what I do, just keep on watching. Okay, just to quickly note, if you hear a lot of banging and stuff outside, it's because somebody's doing something, building something or something, and it's very close to my house, so I am so sorry. Okay, so some quick info on the Poison Dart. It's from October 23rd through November 21st and coincides with Scorpio. The Poison Dart is patient, precise, and deadly. You have all the time in the world, but all you need is that one perfect moment. It is your nature to see the worst side of every situation. You may not know it, but you look for the weakness in everyone. You despise blind fury. You are not impressed by brute strength. It is all about control, the weight, and the thrill of the hunt. So there's that. And I'm not going to do like a super complicated eye look today. I am going to do like a wound right here with like a bunch of veins spreading out, especially along this side of my face and neck, to kind of like maybe I got shot with a poison dart. I don't know. That's kind of where I'm going with this. So I'm going to start off with the eyes really quickly. I just have this palette close by. Do I want to? You know what? I don't even know if I want to do a super complicated eye look today, to be honest. So I'm going to go into a small palette that I have nearby here. This is the Wet n Wild Coffin Break palette. This was in their Halloween collection. I don't know if this is available on their website or not, but this is what I thought I might as well use since this was pretty close by just now. I'm going to just take this brown shade up here and run that into my crease. Yeah, I really want to focus more on the veins and have them look pretty cool, so I've been losing a little motivation and like inspiration for upcoming like makeup looks. So I think I really do want to start the 100 days of makeup to kind of push myself to really create looks every day. Now what I was thinking is most of them I might do for YouTube. Like when it comes to like when it comes to regular makeup looks, I might just focus into like eye looks. So they're short tutorials that I could post every day. The only days I might have troubles on posting are the weekends. And that's because that's when I tend to have to run errands like grocery shopping and stuff like that. At least on Saturdays. Sundays I tend to not run errands. It's Saturdays mostly, sometimes Sundays, depending on schedules like for me and my husband. And if anybody could watch my kids because we don't like taking them since the coronavirus outbreak situation. Oh, but yeah, so I really want to maybe do that, and then on like the days I wouldn't be able to actually film tutorials, I would just like take photos of makeup that I do and then post them on Instagram, which I haven't posted on Instagram since February, so I really need to catch up on that. So yeah, okay, now I'm going to take this more red toned brown shade right here, same brush, and run it into my crease as well, just not as high. But yeah, I already have like tons of series that I want to do, and then the one hiccup for the 100 days of makeup, if I do it, would be me moving in the next few months. But I would keep you updated. I just need to figure out a day to start it because, yeah, that's the kind of holdup I have right now. Because I do need to finish this series, and then I have some more palettes that I want to review, but I could obviously add those into the 100 days. For the lower lash line, I am going to switch to an e.l.f. smudge brush, and I'm using that same shade. More noise from outside. Awesome. Okay, you know what? I probably should have just went to this palette to begin with because it does have similar shades in it too. But this is the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. And I want to take this top shade right here and I'm just going to pat it all over my lid right here just to lighten it up and clean it up a little. I don't want anything too structured, so I'm not doing like a cut crease or anything like that. And then just taking my blending brush and kind of buffing a little. And then going back into that Coffin Break palette, I am going to take this dark brown right here and just pop just a little bit on the outer corner with my blending brush. And then just grab the smallest amount on my other brush and pop some on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Okay, now off camera, I think I'm just going to put on some subtle liner. And do I want to do intense lashes? No, I think I might just go in with my Ardell Wispies and then I'll be right back. Oh, and throw on mascara as well. Okay, now I'm going to, oh, sorry, this is what the eyes are looking like, just something super simple, neutral look. So now I'm going to go into the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, I think that's what it's called, in this shade Sunlight. And I'm just taking an angled fluffy brush. I'm not going to be doing blush today, but I am going to be doing contour, so I'm going to throw on some bronzer so my contour can blend a little nicer. And I will put this where I normally put my blush as well. And then for contour, I'm going into the City Color Contour FX 2 palette, and I'm just taking the contour shade because it is kind of dark but fairly cool toned. And I'm going to take my Luxie small contouring brush. I'm going to do a fairly strong contour today. And also on the jaw. And then I am going to forego highlight today as well, I think. Yeah. So the next part I do want to be kind of sped up. I'm going to go into my CC Beauty Cream Paint palette, and I'm going to take a mixture of the red and the blue to do a purple, and then some blue maybe mixed with some white, and then some red and some red mixed with white. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do like a purple, red, green gradient from like where the wound is going to start, and then blend it outward to where the veins are going to be going. And then the first shades I mentioned are going to be the veins, so like purple, blue, red veins all going up. And I am going to speed this part up since like it's going to take a little longer. But yeah, so I thought I would explain now so you could just kind of see when I go to switch from color to color.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Human error.
Okay, something I wanted to tell you guys real quick is I think I'm going to powder this now, and then I'm going to start laying other colors down, and so it's like different tones. Like this will look like it's more under the skin, and then once I put some more of different colors on, I'll powder it again. It'll look even further under the skin, and so on and so forth.
Evolution. This is the future. 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 Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Okay, now I think for lips, I hope I didn't go too overboard in this. I have done 2 looks very similar to this before, each for Halloween. We'll see what it looks like when I get the wig and everything on, but I think for lips I'm just going to dip into the CC Cream Paint palette, because why not? I'm going to use the green and smudge it mostly on the outer perimeters of my lips. And then I think I'm going to take that same green and kind of like drag some down, maybe mixed with a little yellow. I don't know. Make like some kind of like sickly and then I'm going to take the black and pop it on the center. And then maybe also add a little black to the, that's so annoying, this. Nah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna throw on a wig and I will be right back. Oh my god, did I forget? I hope there's not a smudge on the lens because I'm not sure if that's looking fuzzy right now or not. I hope not. But yeah, this is the final look for the Poison Dart. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, or if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!